grew up in a country at war and built an empire out of pixels, cosplay, and pure will. This is the story they don't teach you in school. Her name is Anna Feschenko. The internet knows her as Fesch6. September 14th, 1999. Ukraine. A place that, years later, the world would come to know for all the wrong reasons. But before the headlines, there was just a girl. Quiet, creative, obsessed with anime, with characters, with becoming someone else for just a few hours a day. Then the war came. Home wasn't home anymore. And like millions of others, Anna had to leave everything behind: her city, her comfort, her old life, and start over. Not once, but twice. She landed first in Bangkok, Thailand, a world away from everything she knew. Then, Los Angeles, the city where dreamers either break or become legends. And Anna chose to become a legend. She didn't have a launch team, no investors, no plan B, just a camera, a cosplay wardrobe, and an obsessive, almost monk-like discipline for her craft. While others posted once a week, Anna treated content like a full-time career, writing scripts, building costumes by hand, editing late into the night. Then, one video changed everything. A simple reel, 4 words long, exploded to over 44 million views. Overnight, Fesch6 wasn't just a username anymore. It was a brand. Today, across TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, Anna commands a digital enterprise built on millions of loyal followers. Brand partnerships, licensing deals, multiple revenue streams stacked on top of each other, from ASMR content to cosplay collaborations to her own growing digital footprint. Her estimated net worth? Reportedly sitting between $100,000 and $200,000 and climbing fast as her audience compounds year over year. But here's what's fascinating. Despite millions watching her every move, Anna keeps her personal life locked behind a velvet curtain. No public relationships, no scandal, no drama, just relentless focus on the work. And maybe that's the real secret to her staying power. From a war-torn hometown, to Bangkok, to Los Angeles, to millions of screens around the world, Anna Feschenko didn't wait for permission. She built her own kingdom, one video at a time. So, what do you think made Fesch6 unstoppable? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this story moved you, hit subscribe, because her story is still being written.